Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable Hyper-V in Windows 11 using command prompt. So very simple and basic way. Firstly search and open command prompt. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command line bcd edit space slash set space hyper visor launch type space off, then press enter. And if you want to enable, so same command you have to type here. In the last just you have to type auto, then press enter. For some reason it's not working in my case, but this command line is okay, and you can using this command line you can turn on and turn off Hyper-V in your Windows system. So thanks for watching, and please comment if this video useful for you or not, and please comment this command line is work for in your system or it shows error. So please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.